Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Today we will use LaoGanMa sauce to stir-fry chicken. This dish slightly spicy and appetizing. We only need 3 ingredients: chicken, bell pepper, and LaoGanMa sauce. Diced chicken. Marinate chicken with 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch, then mix well. Wrap with food wrap and fridge to marinate for 30 minutes. Bell peppers remove seeds and sliced. Fry chicken until both sides golden brown. Two tablespoons LaoGanMa sauce. Stir fry until fragrant. Season with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Add bell pepper and stir fry for 1 minute. Stir-fried LaoGanMa chicken is done. Yummy! Chicken is tender with fragrant chili oil aroma. So delicious! Share this delicious recipe with your family. They will love it too. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in next video.